So what's happening everyone, it's your boy here Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing video. Actually this is the iPad Pro. Now let us just dig into the 2018, what's the new on the keynote. What I have here today with you guys, this is an older iPad, like 2 years past, but let us take a picture that this is an iPad of 2018 generation. Now inside the 2018 generation you get the new improvement of the iPad. Now what are those kind of improvement? Definitely the improvement, there's a LCD and the display right now almostly covering the screen. What I mean here, when you look deeply on this kind of display, you can see the display, it goes here from here, and when I rotate it you see there is a display from this side and this side up to here down. But the newer version of an iPad, it covers the whole entire display with the screen. Now this is something which is so great when it comes to the real thing about the iPad. Now there's another kind of stuff which is so great when it comes to the iPad 2018, which is the new improvement we can call it. So there is like a new pen detach. You can attach the pen. Now if you get a pen here, stick it somewhere here. After sticking it, you can charge it right now with wireless. Now that's something which is so great, and it minimized the functionality which was just like sticking the pen on the dock of the charger. So this is like the charging, you stick the pen here and you get that juice on the pen. Now that kind of update, I think it's so great and it's a lifesaver. Another kind of new upgrade on the iPad Pro, it's the way the thickness looks like. As you can see guys, this iPad here, it looks a little bit thicky, but to my own kind of aspect, I can call this iPad still, it's so thin compared to some old iPad, but still is thin. Just check it out guys, just check it out how it looks like, right? You can compare with the new version, because this one it's like 6.9 and the newer one it's almost like 5.9 inch when it comes to its own kind of height. Here as you can see guys, this is the height of it. So this is how the height looks like. Now the adjustment of the height, it just a little bit minor. This is 6.9 but the new version is 5.9. Now just think about 5.9 thickness, it's so slim, right? Another kind of stuff upon the newer iPad, we get a little bit of new improvement when it comes to software pickup. Now there's a A12 Bionic chip, they're calling it the A12 Bionic chip. Now this is a new kind of processor which has 8 cores inside of it. Second improvement when it comes to software, this kind of iPad comes up with iOS 12. Now we all know the iOS 12, the new improvement of it, it has some new ingredients, the new notification here and there, you get some new kind of outlook and the way the redesign looks like. Now if you guys remember, Samsung Galaxy S9 has a feature which is so great. You can dock it with its own dock and you can get a desktop environment, same as the iPad. You connect it with your own kind of display. Which something captured me is the way the display, you can connect with the different types of display, which I mean here. So you can connect like almost 5K displays. Now not 5 displays, no, it's 5K. Now we have 2K, we have, first of all, we have 1080p resolution of a display, then we're having 2K, then we go to 4K, then we have 5K. That's what they said on the keynote. Now this is the new improvement of the new iPad. It's not something which we can compare with the older one, because the same length and width, but the pricing is quite different. Now jumping out to the storage, this kind of iPad has a 1 terabyte of storage, but these are different types of storage depending on the price class. Now different type of price class defines the different types of storage. Perhaps it's $799, you get 64 gigabyte of storage. Now that kind of 64 gigabyte of storage with this kind of iPad, it's a little bit less, but when you grab the 1,800 and something USD dollar, you get a 1 terabyte, almostly like 1 terabyte. Those I did some valuation there. So you get 1 terabyte on the iPad, which is something which is so great. Just check it out. Right now we are jumping out to the 1 terabyte of an iPad storage, which is so freaking amazing, right? So yeah, that's the new iPad improvement. So these are like my first thoughts, and I decided to share with you guys. So as you can know that today is a keynote day which went with Apple. It was dropping New York. And yeah, that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. If you love this video, make sure that you hit that thumbs up. And if you're new here, my name is Abdurrahim12. And if you didn't get subscribed, make sure that you share some love here by just subscribing, and I really appreciate that. So for the info, I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Peace.